Hi guys, so today I'm going to action again for a few things because we are going to do some Polish donuts for the Polish, actually it's like almost National Day, Greasy Day, and we are going to eat a lot of donuts. It's my second time of doing it. We tried to do it a few days ago for the first time, but it was raw inside. I made two big donuts. Maybe I will show you some pictures later how it looked like, because it looked really nice and I was able to put some jam inside and even close it, and apparently it's very hard to do and it's like pro level, so I was very happy that I could do this for the first time. But then it turns out it was raw inside, so I'm not sure what went wrong. I think it was too high temperature and maybe they were too big, so we see. I don't know if you already tried some Polish donuts, but they look something like this. And yeah, I want to buy that thing that helps you put cream inside the donut. I will show you this later. It has different endings, so you can put it inside the donut after frying it. So maybe it will be easier for it to not be so raw inside. Maybe the dough will fry evenly, so we'll see. And yeah, the weather today, it looks nice. It's not rainy at least. From the start of January it was raining all the time, but now it's really getting better. We have some moments of sun, so I hope it will only get better because I miss sun. But I'm taking a lot of vitamin D, so I hope it will be okay. And this video will be a little bit different because it will be, I think, cooking and maybe some of my trainings. For the next video I want to do something more personal, so we'll see. And yeah, maybe I will show you my training today because I want to make some exercises, maybe some yoga later. I'm trying to be fit still, even in my state. And these are my nails for today. I did them myself, so they are not perfect, but they're okay and they are making me happy in this crazy weather. Since I got my scooter, I'm usually taking a scooter, but I'm trying not to be lazy and also, use some, sometimes use my bike because it's just sitting there and getting the rust. So I have to use it also. Okay, so I'm getting ready and I see you in action in a few moments. I'm taking a bike today. I don't want to record too many people, but some people are having costumes because we are in the time of Carnival and it's very common here in our area to dress up for the Carnival events, and they are going for a lot of parties. We are not participating, but yeah, it's a nice tradition. It's good that they have it. You can see people of all ages dressed up in all kinds of weird costumes, and it's fun because most of them are using bikes. I don't want to record them too much, but it's really interesting and they have really nice ideas for costumes, really original, because in Poland usually they have like a nurse, policeman or something, or a Batman, but here they have really different monarchs and fairies and stuff like that. It's really interesting, mostly connected to their history also. They are having wigs and they have heavy makeup. It's really fun. I really like these traditions, even though I'm not participating this year. asked Adrian if he can start making the dough without me. And in the recipe there's information that it has to be in the warm temperature, and he turned on the heater and left it here. Oh, so cute. We just came back from looking for a real forest in the Netherlands, but we're only finding parks, and we found something like heath, but it's not what we really meant by forest. But it's okay, it was pretty nice, and it was a long trip, so I'm very tired now, and I see you guys in the next one.